question for you. How do you get ready for work? Really? Work? Duh. If only we don't have to get out of bed for work, right? That's why I don't spend too much time preparing for work. So we made a b-roll about it. Let me know if you're like me too. Enjoy the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button.